Use the Copy Along Path tools to speed up your drafting by placing plants or site amenities at a set spacing along a line, arc, or polyline. First, if you have polylines in your drawing already, and let's be honest, who doesn't, you're ready to start copying along a polyline. Choose a plant on or beside the polyline. Then choose the polyline. The polyline will automatically be offset to line up with the block, and you can just move the mouse to drag your plants along it. Tap the K key to see the left-hand keyboard commands to adjust the spacing on the go. Tap the 1 key to set the spacing manually. Tap A to decrease the spacing, and D to increase it. Tap S to reset the spacing to 100%. End the command and the temporary guideline on the highlight layer will disappear. Hit Escape and this guideline will stay on until you run the highlight command. Use this for site amenity blocks too. It's easy to make it perfect in an instant. Use it for your dynamic blocks and cycle between the instances in the dynamic block for things like cars. Turn on random rotation in a dynamic block for use with people or natural stepping stones. Just a heads up, random rotation will not work on plant symbols. Cut the tether and switch yourself to copy along line or arc. You can place a block and tap the V key for copy along line. Use the same hotkeys to toggle spacing. Tap C and instantly switch to copy along arc. You'll just need to set a midpoint for copy along arc. You can use copy along line and arc on plants that have already been placed by using the ribbon tools instead. You can also toggle between exact or best fit spacing. Best fit will place the maximum number of blocks at even spacing of between 50 to 100% of the set spacing, always leaving a block at the end of the line. Exact will place the blocks at 100% spacing only, and won't necessarily have a block at the end of the line. With all of these tools, you'll finish your planting plan in no time. Add on the shotgun or array placing tools and you'll have no problem. See our other power tip videos and webinar recordings to check those out.